Crispy layered potato bake. To start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then cut the potatoes into thin slices. Combine the thinly sliced potato, garlic, thyme sprigs and melted butter in a large bowl. Season well with salt and pepper. Arrange the potato mixture upright in an 8-cup oven-proof dish. Place the sage leaves randomly between the potato layers. Then drizzle with stock. Pop in the oven and bake for 1 hour until the potato is golden brown and tender. Set aside for 5 minutes to cool slightly. To serve, top with extra sage leaves and sprinkle with extra thyme leaves. This crispy potato bake is seasoned to perfection and makes a mouth-watering side.